Hello everyone. Imagine bringing a mischievous monkey into your home. What could possibly go wrong? Well, in today's story, we meet a naughty little monkey named Toto who takes us on an unforgettable adventure. Let's dive into the adventures of Toto by Ruskin Bond. In this hilarious and heartwarming story, we follow the narrator's grandfather, a man who absolutely loves animals. One day he buys a baby monkey named Toto for just 5 rupees from a Tonga driver. But little did he know that this little monkey would soon turn his life upside down. Grandfather has a soft spot for animals. He already had a private zoo filled with the tortoise, tiny squirrel, a couple of rabbits, and even a pet goat. But Toto was the newest member and he quickly became the star of the show, though not in the way they expected. Toto wasn't just cute, he was a bundle of mischief. With sparkling eyes, a long tail, and a mischievous smile, he was always up to something. From tearing the wallpaper to ruining clothes, Toto's antics were endless. And don't even get started on what he did to the narrator's blazer. Realizing that Toto was too much for the house, grandfather decided to move him to a cage. But even then, Toto's troublemaking didn't stop. He caused chaos in his new home too, teasing the other pets and making life difficult for everyone. But Toto's biggest adventure came when grandfather took him on a trip to Saharanpur. Toto, packed secretly in a kit bag, caused a ruckus at the Dehradun railway station. When he peeped out and smiled at the collector mistook him for a dog and charged grandfather 3 rupees for the dog's fare. Grandfather argued but ended up paying the fare. And guess what? His pet tortoise didn't get charged at all. After the trip, Toto was moved to a stable with Nana, the family donkey. You'd think they'd become great friends. Right? But, nope. Toto loved teasing Nana and they were never on good terms. Toto was also quite the fan of hot water baths. One winter day, he took it a little too far and jumped into a huge kettle of hot water kept on the stove. He almost boiled himself alive. Thankfully, grandmother saved him just in time. As time passed, Toto's behavior got worse. He tore up more clothes, broke utensils, and stole food. One day he even stole a plate of pull-off from the dining table, climbed a tree, and then threw the plate to the ground, shattering it into pieces. His mischief knew no bounds and everyone in the family was getting frustrated. Finally, grandfather had enough. With a heavy heart, he made the difficult decision to sell Toto back to the Tonga driver for just 3 rupees. And so Toto's adventures came to an end. So what did we learn from Toto's wild adventures? Well, the story teaches us that while having fun is great, it's important to respect others and not become a nuisance. Toto might have been fun, but his constant mischief made it hard for the family to enjoy peace. Thank you for watching the adventures of Toto. Stay curious, keep reading, and always remember to have fun but also be mindful of the world around you. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on a Derive to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for math, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 9.